S158 GPS dual-camera drone 4-sided obstacle avoidance, optical flow, 6-axis gyroscope, Wi-Fi FPV quadcopter. Introducing the S158 GPS drone, a feature-rich, compact quadcopter engineered for both casual enthusiasts and budding aerial photographers. With advanced GPS positioning, dual HD cameras, 4-way obstacle avoidance, and a foldable, portable design, the S158 is more than just a drone. It's your gateway to intelligent, stable, and immersive flight experiences. Whether you're exploring new perspectives for photography, experimenting with FPV flights, or enjoying outdoor drone racing with friends, the S158 offers a smart, safe, and fun way to fly. Equipped with 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization, Wi-Fi real-time transmission, and remote adjustable camera angles, this drone gives you precise control and cinematic performance in a lightweight frame. Camera with flash dual HD cameras with adjustable angles. Capture your world from new heights with dual built-in HD cameras. The front-facing lens offers a wide field of view and can be adjusted up to 90 degrees via the remote, giving you the flexibility to frame your shots perfectly, whether it's landscape photography or dynamic motion tracking. The bottom camera, powered by optical flow positioning, helps maintain stable hover and contributes to improved indoor flight precision. GPS-powered smart features. With integrated GPS technology, the S158 drone offers a full suite of intelligent flight capabilities. One key return to home, RTH, automatically returns to the takeoff point. Low power auto return. Drone returns when the battery is critically low, signal loss return. Regains control or auto returns when signal is lost. Real-time GPS position display. Track the drone's live location via the app. This ensures a safer flight experience, particularly for beginners and casual flyers. Intelligent flight modes and app functions. Connect the S158 to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and unlock a full set of smart flight features through the mobile app. Live FPV transmission. See what the drone sees in real time. Trajectory flight. Draw your desired flight path on your phone. Follow me mode. Drone automatically follows the user. One key surround, orbit mode, capture cinematic circular shots. Gesture recognition. Snap photos or videos with a wave of your hand. Add music to videos. Edit and personalize your flight footage. Screen rotation and orientation sync. Full control of image layout. Aircraft location display. Locate your drone on the map anytime. 4-way obstacle avoidance plus night flight ready. Safety meets innovation with 4-sided obstacle avoidance sensors, giving you 360 degrees awareness to prevent collisions during indoor and outdoor flights. Additionally, the drone is equipped with 6 LED night lights, allowing for improved visibility and thrilling night flights. Smooth control and adjustable speed. Thanks to its 6-axis gyroscope system, the S158 provides stable, smooth flight performance and is easy to operate even for beginners. With adjustable speed gears, you can switch between slow, medium, or fast settings depending on your environment or skill level. The headless mode option further simplifies navigation by removing orientation constraints. Compact, foldable, and ready to travel. The S158 is built with foldable arms and fan blades, making it extremely portable and travel-friendly. Whether you're heading to the park, beach, or mountains, this compact drone can easily fit in your backpack without taking up much space. Rechargeable remote and battery specs. Drone battery. High-capacity rechargeable LiPo battery. Flight time. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes per charge. Remote control. Rechargeable unit with integrated screen, model dependent. Night flight lights. 6 LED lights embedded on the drone body. Full technical specifications. Model S158 GPS drone. Camera dual HD, front plus bottom, front camera adjustment 90 degrees, remote controlled, flight modes GPS return, follow me, orbit, trajectory. Transmission Wi-Fi FPV, app controlled, stabilization 6-axis gyroscope. Obstacle avoidance 4-direction laser system. Control distance up to 150 meters. Flight time 15 to 20 minutes. Battery rechargeable LiPo. Charging time 60 to 70 minutes. Foldable design yes. Lighting 6 LED lights for night flight. What's in the box? One S158 GPS drone. 1 rechargeable remote controller, 1 drone battery, 4 spare propellers, 1 USB charging cable, 1 screwdriver, 1 user manual. Ideal for beginners and hobbyists, aerial photography enthusiasts, indoor and outdoor FPV flights, drone gifts for kids and teens, tech lovers and travel videographers.